Here is a Nissan Sentra. Let's go ahead and get started. That's the light over there. The way to access it, we have to open up the trunk. Now we need to get the light out of the body. For that, we have to pull this carpet back, and for that, we have to take off one clip. For that, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Put it right over there and pull the middle part of the clip out like this. And once it's out a little bit, just grab the clip and get it out. Peel this carpet back. There are two studs with two nuts on them. We have to take it out. Get a 10mm socket ratchet combination and get a small socket like the one I'm showing. And then let's go ahead and get those nuts out one by one. Make sure you don't drop them inside over there, or it's going to add a lot more work for you for no reason. Get the nuts out one by one, keep them somewhere safe. Now the light should just slide right out. First just rock the light and now try to slide it out straight towards the back of the car. If it doesn't come out, just grab a roll of duct tape and put a few layers of it on the light. And then once you have like 3-4 layers, grab the ends of it and then use it like a handle to yank the light out. 1, 2, 3, yank it out. It may take a couple tries, but it'll come right out. That's the bulb holder. Before you twist it left, get that screwdriver, lift it up a little bit, just wedge it inside over there like that. Now twist it left and it'll come loose and it's out. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 7443. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply go ahead and push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And when you're putting it back into the light, see that little notch? See where it goes there? Right over there. It sits inside. Twist it right and it drops inside over there and it's locked in place. Now let's get this light in place. Now those two pins go in those holes over there. This cutout goes on that black clip, and those are the two studs for the nuts. They go in the hole inside the body. So just align it over there and just get it in place. Focus on this front edge over here. Make sure it's not sticking out. So just give it a push a little bit inside towards the car and then push it toward the front. Now on the inside, make sure the studs came through the holes there. That's looking good. Put the nuts on one by one and then just tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination, and that is looking good. The light's not sticking out. Now let's just put this carpet back in place. Get that one clip. Make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out. Put it in the hole and then push the middle part down to secure it, and that is good. And that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for the entire inventory.